In this lecture, we'll discuss the relative acidic strength of the following molecule. This question has been asked in IIT JAM 2016. So let's solve this. The correct order of pKa for the following compound is, we know that acidic strength is directly proportional to Ka value and inversely proportional to pKa. K is acid dissociation constant, so if Ka value is more, it's more acidic, and pK value is more means it is less acidic. pK is minus log of Ka, so this is minus log Ka. Now, acidic strength is increased by electron withdrawing group like minus I group, minus M group, and decreased by electron donating group like plus I group and plus M group. Okay. The first molecule is phenol, second is also phenol derivative, third is benzoic acid, that is the carboxylic acid, and fourth is acetic acid. So generally we know that carboxylic acid is more acidic than phenol. Okay. Or if I ask you the relative acidic strength, you must remember this order, that maximum is formic acid followed by benzoic acid, then it will be acetic acid, then it will be carbonic acid, then it will be phenol. Okay, this is the relative acidic strength order. Now we can say that benzoic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. Okay, then it will be phenol derivatives. Okay, now let's see the other group attached. This is NO2 group. This NO2 group is electron withdrawing, that is mesomeric and inductive, minus I and minus M group. So it will increase the acidic strength of this acid. So most acidic, if I talk about the acidic strength, the most acidic will be third one, followed by fourth one, because carboxylic acid is more acidic than phenol. Okay, then in between these two, this dimethylamine, that is basically electron donor group, that is plus N, that will decrease the acidic strength. So I will say 1 is more acidic than 2. So this is the overall acidic strength order. Maximum is 3, then 4, then 1 and 2, and that is the order of Ka. So the order of pKa will be simply 2 will be maximum, then it will be 1 because it will be just opposite order, then it will be 4, and the minimum will be 3.